How to send pictures on TikTok messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can send pictures on TikTok messages, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically send pictures on TikTok messages, all you have to do is simply go ahead and launch the TikTok app. Before you do that, first of all, make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version, by the way. Now, once you make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version, when you now come to the inbox tab and then you select a certain person with whom you would like to share anything here, you can simply basically scroll down. Now, once you scroll down here, you can see different sort of options, and here you can see a little gallery icon which you can simply choose to tap, and then you should be able to allow the access, and then you can select any videos that you want or the photos that you'd like, and then just tap the send option, and then you'll be able to send a picture message over here. But as I said, you just need to make sure that your TikTok is updated to the latest version. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.